2000 through 2005 Buick Lesabre. This is how to activate the inspection and maintenance monitors. If your state requires a smog inspection, then these monitors need to all have run and be in the green. California does not require the EVAP monitor to be ready. To view the monitors, I'll be using a very affordable scanner. It costs about 30 bucks. This is what the IM readiness screen should look like after a cold reset, or if you've disconnected and reconnected the battery. The Lesabre does not have an HCAP monitor. The MIS, fuel, and CCM monitors should have already ran when you inserted the key. But before you even attempt to run the other monitors, a few conditions have to be met. The fuel level has to be between 1/4 and 3/4 full. The level shown here is just below 1/4, and that's not gonna work, man. No monitors will run during this drive cycle. Number 2, the battery voltage has to be between 9 and 18 volts. This should be no problem. And number 3, it is recommended to have all accessories off. All accessories off. Simple, right? The first monitors we're going to activate are HRT and EVAP. The conditions for these are a cold start, more specifically the engine coolant temperature, and intake air temperature needs to be below 95 degrees F, and the difference between the two should not exceed 11 degrees F before starting the vehicle. Got it? Start the vehicle and allow the engine to idle in park for 2 minutes. This should run and clear the HRT monitor. This is also the first half of the EVAP monitor. For the other half, you accelerate to 55 miles per hour until the engine reaches operating temperature. Then keep going 55 miles per hour for an additional 6 minutes. This additional 6 minutes is going to clear the EVAP monitor, but it's also going to clear the air and O2S monitor. The CAT and EGR monitors could be done at any time if the engine is at operating temperature, if the fuel level is correct, and if the voltage is correct. To clear the CAT monitor, maintain a speed of 50 miles per hour for 2 minutes, then decelerate to 0 miles per hour and let the engine idle for 2 minutes while holding the brake in dry mode. Hold the brake in dry mode. To clear the AGR monitor, maintain a speed of 45 miles per hour for 1 minute, then perform 4 decelerations from 45 to 25. After each deceleration, return to 45 miles per hour and maintain that speed for 15 seconds before attempting the next deceleration. During the decelerations, do not open the throttle, do not hit the brakes, do not go under 25 miles per hour. In my experience, I discovered that while driving to clear the other monitors, the EGR monitor usually clears itself. My drive cycle is a cold start from the middle of a city. I make my way to the freeway, which is about 6 miles away. There's a lot of stops on the way. There's a lot of stops on the way back. So by the time I clear the other monitors, all the stop and go traffic, casual driving, all that stop and go traffic usually clears the EGR monitor for me. And that's it for this video. Keep that Buick on the road. See you in the next one. Have a good day.